You got one too?
Yeah.
Look at this shit. I got a fucking big one. Took all day, but I got one.
Jesus, what
This is the second time he took it.
What are we gonna do?
I have no idea what I'm gonna do.
Cut the line or like
Keep it going.
kill the bird or like?
I can't kill the bird. It's illegal to kill him.
What are you gonna do?
I gotta bring him over here and get him off.
He's gonna bite you.
He ain't gonna bite me on the leg.
I can't believe he fell in the water.
I got him by the back foot. I can't believe he went for it again. You dumb shit, you.
Yeah, he's in his thought. You see his friend like that's one place to
Keep it
man,
fucking down.
I'm filming.
Gotta fucking...
Look at him, he's looking at you.
Hey buddy, don't you attack me, you fucker. Listen, you're not going anywhere. Here, let me get you off there. Of course, Nick's gotta have his line. Sorry, little buddy. I thought after the second time you would have learned.
He's gonna go. You want me to hold the
Slap
pole?
the shit out of me. Don't you attack me, you fucker. Keep the fucking thing rolling.
I want you.
Grab him by his freaking... I got him.
How many times do you get to do this? Oh my god.
Don't you attack me, you son of a bitch.
Now don't eat it this time, you dummy.
Listen. I'm trying to help you, buddy. Get the pliers. Give me the pliers. Man, you are the slowest motherfucker when you can be. Here, take this rope. I got him now. He's going on. Look at the talons on that fucker. Hold on, I got him off. Here. Is it off him?
Yeah, hold on, hold on. Man, those claws are sharp. Holy crap. Yeah,
How many days you get to see that? Alright, little buddy, you ready? Don't you come back now. Come on now, go. Oh, man. Come on.
He's hurt.
Yeah, he's not hurt. Well, he got me. He'll go. Come on. Go.
Splash the paddle.
Keep it on him, man. Come on. Get going.
He's gonna eat it.
He's not going to eat it. I'm going to fucking get him away from it.
Go in the feathers or something.
Did his feathers get that wet? Here. Hold on this.
Oh, there he goes.
Got him on film? Film, dude.
He's still going.
I know.
I know.
I want you to film. You like to look at everything else but the film.
I had it on him. He wasn't moving.
Alright, stop it before it does.